Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to give Robux to friends, right? And this is for Roblox mobile. You can do this on Roblox desktop as well. But first, all you need to do is to open up a browser on your mobile device, alright? If you are using a phone. Now what you're going to want to do is go to this website right here. I'll leave this one in the description. Now what you're going to want to do is either use the credit version or the Robux version, alright? If you were to use this one, it's gonna take you to this page and click on shop gift cards. So it's basically a gift card, right? So for example, you add your name here and your name. For example, I'm gonna check this one and pick gift card. Send a digital gift card, for example, US dollars, and you can select the gift card design right here. All right, happy birthday. How much? Could be $50 or $100. And simply add to cart. From here you should be able to see review your cart plus free virtual item. Alright, you can remove one if you want to. If you added one or more, remove card. And as you can see here, there is a free virtual item, which is the limited edition impaled pirate skull mask. Alright, so what you're going to want to do here is just simply head on to checkout. Alright, and choose the payment method and simply tick this one and place your order. Alright, another option here is by going to the Amazon store. Alright, you'll be able to see a lot of Robux right here, which is like for example this one for 10 bucks, 800 Robux. Alright, just go ahead and pick one. For example, add to cart. You're gonna want to add this to your cart and proceed to checkout. Alright, just make sure to log in and buy the Robux from there. Once you have the code sent from the seller, you're gonna want to redeem your card. Just go to roblox.com/redeem and tell your friend to put the code in here and let him or her know that he or she needs to sign in before redeeming the code right here. Alright, once done, just click on this one and hit on redeem and he or she will be good to go. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.